Revolutionary leap. New Apple exclusive unveils iPhone 15 release surprise. In the ever-evolving world of technology, few names hold as much weight as Apple. The iPhone 15's design, sleek, sustainable, and sensational. Apple has always been at the forefront of elegant design, and the iPhone 15 is no exception. Drawing inspiration from the seamless lines of nature, the new model features a sleek and minimalist look that exudes sophistication. The OLED breakthrough, a visual feast. Display technology has been a crucial aspect of every iPhone release, and the iPhone 15 takes it to an entirely new level. Battery life reinvented. The solar boost. One of the most significant challenges for smartphone users has always been battery life. With the iPhone 15, Apple addresses this concern in a revolutionary way. The new model integrates solar cells into its back panel, harnessing the power of the sun to supplement battery charging. Security and privacy at the forefront. Apple has always placed a strong emphasis on user privacy and security. With the iPhone 15, they take it a step further. The device features an innovative under-display fingerprint sensor, adding an extra layer of biometric security while maintaining the convenience of Touch ID.